Welcome back to another video, guys. Alex Lasso back again, the cool albino on your screen just for you. So today I'm going to talk to you about three things: cardio, high intensity workouts, some triceps and back workouts I'm going to show you that can help you achieve the body that you want. We're still enjoying some beautiful weather, so take advantage of this, guys. Get up, go out, go work out, and live a life of extraordinary things, guys. You know what to do. Do the three simple things. Give this video a like, subscribe right there at the right bottom of the video. Right next to it there is a notification bell you got to turn on, to turn that on. Let me clarify what we're gonna do today. 2 workouts consists of back workouts. I'm gonna do it right there at the bars, as we are back here at the park we usually work at. I felt like I had to be out working out and not in the gym. And also, let me clarify something. You might have heard in our previous video that this Friday, this Fitness Friday, was going to be the 400 push-up challenge again. But to be honest with you guys, we're not doing it this Friday, we're doing it next Friday. Why? Because honestly, guys, I'm actually kind of scared of doing that. But also, those challenges require some training, some dedication. For every challenge you do, 100, 200, 300, 400, it requires you to dedicate and train a little bit. And I'm not gonna just go head on without training to try to accomplish that challenge. No. So I've been training this past week to 2 weeks to try to be at a level that I can do the 400 push-ups, guys. So that's the reason why we're not doing it this Friday. But stay tuned for next Friday. It's gonna drop the 400 push-up challenge, and then by December 1st or latest December 15th, you're gonna have 500 push-ups, guys. So I'm excited for that. Hopefully you're excited as well. Let's get that done, guys. Let's break a record, something I've never done before. And I want to motivate you to do something you've never done before as well. It doesn't have to be in fitness, it could be in anything else in life, but hey, go ahead and get it done. So that's it, guys. Let's talk about the workouts for today. We're doing back at the bars right there, and I'm going to show you what those workouts are. And everything I do, I want you to apply it like this. Break it down in 3 sets, 3 different things. You do 3 sets of 10, 5 sets of 5, or you do 5 sets of 10. Whatever you can do. The point here is that you got to build stamina, and you have to build endurance in your routine. Okay, see, the difference between people that are big and muscular and the ones that are thin, slender, but they're strong, is because the people that are big and muscular, all they focus is in just lifting heavy weights or doing the max they can for 1 or 2 or 5 reps, and that's it. But I'm all about, and I want to teach you the importance of endurance, the importance of repetition, and the importance of stamina. Okay, because your muscles need endurance, repetition, and stamina. Yeah, I may not look that big, great, hey, but I'm sure I can lift more or do more reps in any workout than any of these other big muscular bodybuilders. Okay, and I'm not saying it because I'm cocky. I'm not saying it because I think I'm better than them. I'm just saying it because that's the strategy I train and I practice. So I want you to do the same thing, guys, because fitness is not about you getting big and you having the biggest muscles or biceps. No, it's about you having a strategy, a plan, but also looking the best that you can look with the things that you can do. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So I'm going to show you a back workout that it's easy to do, even if you just do one. Do one every single day, and in 10 days you're going to be able to do 10. Then 10 days you're going to be able to do 10 more, and in 100 days you'll be able to do 10 reps of 10. 100 days is not even that far. It's only 3 months, guys. That's fast progression right there, right? Fast progression. You don't have to stick to it every single day. No, just do one every day. In 10 days keep increasing, and then at 100 days you'll be able to do 10. So I'm going to show you a back workout. My hands are always in the back of this, and when I go up I move my head. Why do I move my head? Because it works my lats, guys, and that's what we want. We want to work our lats. We're doing 10 sets of those. You don't have to do 10 sets of 10. You can do 1 set of 10, 3 sets of 3, 5 sets of 5, however much you can do. But the point is that you learn these workouts, because if you just do back at the gym like a traditional overhand pull, yeah, they work, but that's gonna take you much longer to grow your back to results than doing these things here. Why? Because you're using your whole body here to pull yourself up. Compared to the gym, you're sitting down, you're pulling something. Also put in the comments below if you've tried this workout, or which workout you like in calisthenics, or what is your favorite workout with regular traditional training. Something you might have seen before, but this is gonna work out your shoulders and your back as well, and your chest. So 3 different body parts. So yeah, you grab yourself overhand from those bars, you pull yourself up, you go all the way down. So that works your chest, it works your shoulders, and it works your back. That's same thing. We're doing 3 sets of those, 3 sets of 10, guys. 10 reps, 10 sets. That's a message for you. If you found that these videos were motivating for you and that are gonna help you improve your fitness and health lifestyle, or at least get you started for the next year as we're getting close to 2022, then you know what to do, guys. Comment below, give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'll see you at the top. I'll see you next Friday. No, actually, I'll see you Sunday with the motivational video, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to do those 3 things. That way you're notified whenever I drop another video. And remember, fitness is about you committing to yourself. Go check out our Instagram right here at the right, Facebook at the left, our website first link in the description. I'll see you at the top. God bless.